Hey guys, been here. Previously we did this exercise. It's a twisted mesh. Okay, so with some pattern-based family. Today we're going to add some windows. So some windows to this structure, something like this. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so first let's open this family. You should be able to download this family. So I'll upload this family, and you can download this one. Okay, so let's start from here. So first, select this whole panel. So move here. So this one, click and delete DE. Okay, so now you will see this is the mass. Okay, so this is the mass. So if you just need the whole face, so this face to be placed as windows, you can just simply tab select this face. Okay, so see? So this is the whole mass. If you tab, you will be able to select this face, and then you can divide the surface, and then change this to so for example maximum 1500, and also this will be maximum 3 meter. So now the grid is maximum 1.5 meters wide and 3 meters high. Okay, so now we can go create a pattern based family, and quickly just place a point, draw on face and on this reference line, and create a reference line, a rectangle, draw on work plan, set work plan, pick this work plan and draw a rectangle. So this will be the frame, the profile of the frame. So tab select one of the reference line. So I'm just going to make it maybe 200. Okay, and also tab select this one and make it maybe 100 wide. So now select the full reference line and V move. So move it up here and then move it down by 100. So now this profile is centered to the reference line. So now select profile and also select these full reference line and create a full. So this will be the frame, and we can create a material for it. Okay, so okay and okay. So now H just temporarily hide it, and then select all these four reference line again, create form. So here you can create a, so for example you can create a solid with maybe 10 mil 20 mil glass, but you can also just only create a face. Okay, so and I prefer just a face because you don't really need to see the thickness of the glass. So now we have this frame with the panel, so we can load this into this this mass. Okay, so now select the divided surface, so this one, and we can change, we can actually the previous, these buttons are family 4. Okay, so the one we created just created is family 3, so change this to family 3, and that's it. That's the window on this face. Okay, so now let's make it more complicated. Okay, so I'm going to delete this one, but this time we're going to create a window that's only 1/3 of this face, 1/3 of this face. So start from roughly here and the head height will be about here, so it will be a strip of windows in the middle. Okay, so now let's do it. So first, I want to select this mask and HH. I want to hide them, and also I want to hide everything, these things, these buttons. So now we have all this profile of this mask. So you will see this is one, and these are two of them very close to each other, and another two, and another one here. So just like we create this mask, we can create a face, use just reference line and a path. Okay, so I'll show you. So first what I'm going to do is I'll place some point. Okay, so point, and I'll draw on face, and first I'll place 2 points on this reference line. Okay, so the first one, so this one, let's have a look over here. So this one, so I'm going to type in equals 1/3. Okay, so which means this is 1/3 of the total length of this reference line. So this one I'll type in equals 2/3. Okay, so now these 2 points, we just need to create a spline and make it reference line. So now we have this reference line here. Okay, we can create another 2, 2, 1, so another 5 reference line. So let's create let's just place points. So 1, 2, oops, sorry, 2, 3, 4, and this 1, 2, oops, 3, 4, and 1, 2. So now let's select this one. So this one's close to 1. Oh, sorry, close to 0. Yeah, okay. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Let's type in equals 1/3. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And type in equals 2/3. So now we have all these points. We can now connect them. So 1, 2, and create a spline reference line. So 1, 2, spline reference line, and 1, 2, spline reference line, and another 1, 2, spline and a reference line. Okay, so and then 1, 2, spline reference line. Okay, so now if we select this reference line together with this path, and also this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and create a form. So now you will see this is a face we created. But if I type HR to show the mask we previously have, you will notice that this is not right. So it rotates the opposite direction. So we should rotate this direction, but this face rotate this direction. So okay, so what we're going to do is it's okay, you can just dissolve this face, and what I'm going to do is HH this mask again. Let's just HH all these again, and what we need to do is previously we create this profile on these points, so we just need to select these points, and also there's one here. Okay, so 3 points, you just need to rotate them back. So now if I type in 0, so you will see now all these profile, all these, oh, this one, all these profile are in one direction. So this way Revit should understand what we need to do. So And actually, hang on, let me just, while I'm doing this, I'm just going to create a parameter for this angle. Okay, I'll just call it A, and type or instance, that's the same. So click OK and OK. So now we can select this. This will be a profile. Okay, so profile, another profile, another profile, another profile, profile, and this one together with this path and create form. So now we have this face, right? And then we can go to family types. Go type in 90 degrees, apply, and yeah, Revit is calculating all those patterns. So, oops. Yep, and click OK. So now you will see. Now this face, where it is. So this face now match this the mass. Okay. So now we can just select, or let me just hide this mass again. So select this face, then we can go divide surface, and then we can change this. So for example, I'll change this to maximum spacing 1.5 meters, and also this one I'll just change to none. So all one panel, okay, 1.5 meter maximum width. So now we can just change this to family 3, which is the windows. Okay, so now this is some window in the middle of this face. And now we need to add these panels on the top and the bottom. So what we need to do is the same. We just need, we can't, let me just see, we can't use this face, because once we place face, it will be overlapping with the windows. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to create another two, so one and a two, another two face. Just use the same method. We just we create the face for the windows. Okay, so let's do it. So HH, and let me just, actually I'm going to just select this one of the reference line and together with one of the points and type IC. So isolate category. So you will only have these points and the reference lines on your screen. Okay, so it's easier for us to do the rest of the work. So place point, draw a face, and you can use snap endpoint SE and another SE tab. Okay, so SE tab. Oops. Ah, yeah, that it is. So now let me SE tab, SE tab. Okay, good. SE tab, SE tab, SE tab. Okay, so now we have all the points. Now we can create spline reference line, spline reference line, point spline and reference line, and spline with reference line. So spline reference line and spline reference line, spline reference line, spline reference line, and spline reference line and spline reference line and spline reference line, and the last one, spline, reference line. Okay, so before we create the face, so we just need to just rotate it back. So and then so we can tab, select this one, and tab. Make sure you only select one. Okay, not the whole, see 1, 2, 3, 3 reference lines. You need to tab and select only one of them. Tab, and also this path, create forms. Okay, so it's there, so it's just invisible, don't worry. So 1, 2, 3, tab, tab, and tab, and also this one. So create another face. Now we can just go, so if you HR, you will see this is new face. Okay, so and also you can you can just place the buttons now. So divide the surface, and I believe this will be none, and this will be 400. Okay, and same to this one, divide the surface. This will be fixed distance 400, and this will be none. Apply. So now select both this one and this one, and change it to family 4. Okay, so now we can just go to family types, type in 90 degrees, and okay, then just need to wait for a few seconds, and yep, I was a little bit worried. Okay, so this is it. So if let me just turn off. So maybe, hang on, there's still a face here. So let me just try to select it. Yeah, I think this is the face. Okay, so I'm just going to uncheck the visible. So when I preview visibility on, so you won't see that face. So now this is it. So the windows in the middle. Okay, and also you can adjust the window. So for example, I'm going to I'll HH this one, HH this one, HH this one, and turn the off so I can see the points. So for example, I'll slightly change the size of this. So let me just select the point. Instead of 0.333, I'll change it to 0.2. And let's have a look of these two. So instead of 0.667, I'll change it to 0.8. Okay, so looks like sometimes it will happen. So that's okay. Let's try 0.7. See if it works or not. Yeah, I think sometimes when you it won't work at some it's hard to tell. It's just try different numbers. So now you can see the window actually changes size. So it's become taller. Yeah. Right. And let's try here. So see if I can reduce the size here. But I'm not. I can't guarantee it will work. But let's have a try. So select one and this one, and see if we can target 0.4. Oops, nope, doesn't work. 0.5, nope. 0.3, yep, it works as 0.3, but not Oh, actually, it become larger, and that's okay. So let's try this one. See what number can we use, large or small. 0.8. Yes. So which means that we can make it bigger here, but can we make it smaller? I'm not sure. 0.5. Oh, we can. Oops. What's happening? Okay, that's still okay. Yeah, it's just with its face, it's not exactly overlapping to with this face. So that's fine. Let's have a look at if I turn the preview on and HR. So now you can see the windows are all, it's quite curved. It's different shape. It's quite small here, which is quite nice, I think. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so that's it. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Bye.